Welcome to Vox Weather. Overnight into Monday morning, a low pressure system just off the coast of Namibia completely cut itself off from the normal westerly flows in the upper levels of the atmosphere, which is not very common for this time of the year, but also not impossible. And thunderstorms expected to spread eastwards across South Africa later this week, reaching Gauteng. So let's look at your Tuesday forecast. Unseasonably wet weather expected to continue as more showers and thunderstorms move over the Northern Cape, parts of Namaqualand, as well as the Karoo, later reaching northwest in the Free State. And the South African Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms, which could lead to large amounts of small hail as well as localized flooding. And our accumulated rainfall models are picking up more than 50 millimeters, likely to accumulate up until Wednesday. Only light rain showers possible in the low veld as well as along the eastern escarpment, but remaining cloudy and wet with more showers and thunderstorms expected over the northern parts of South Africa, especially over the Kalahari, later reaching parts of Namaqualand as well as the Karoo, northwest and the Free State. It's cloudy over the northern areas of the Western Cape with isolated thunderstorms are possible over the Swartland with later 21 degrees in Clanwilliam, a southeasterly wind picking up along the coast with temperatures around 20 degrees. Remaining below 20 along the Southern Cape with 18 in George as well as Plettenberg Bay, and an easterly wind picking up over Nelson Mandela Bay. Foggy at first over large parts of the Eastern Cape and later becoming mild along the coast, windy with a northeasterly wind, 21 degrees in East London as well as Port St John's, remaining cool over the interior. It's also foggy at first over large parts of KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday morning. A northeasterly wind blowing moderate and fresh offshore, 21 in Durban and 20 in Pietermaritzburg. Cool to cold at first in Mpumalanga, a few foggy patches and cloudy in the low veld with 22 later in Skukuza. Light showers spreading along the eastern escarpment as well as into parts of the low veld. Much cooler with only 20 expected in Zinine and a northeasterly wind picking up in the Bushveld. Winds also starting to blow moderate to fresh in northwest on Tuesday afternoon and maximum temperatures below 20 degrees and into the evening thunderstorms reaching the western areas. Remaining cloudy, cold and wet in the Northern Cape. Heavy downpours could lead to localized flooding in places and also large amounts of small hail possible. It's foggy at first over the eastern areas of the Free State, a cold morning and later becoming windy with 19 in Bethlehem. Cool to cold at first in Gauteng, 4 in Johannesburg, later a northeasterly wind picking up and 19 degrees the afternoon. And then into Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms slowly spreading eastwards across South Africa, reaching northwest as well as the Free State. And on Thursday, much colder conditions and unseasonably wet weather also reaching the rest of northwest, including Gauteng, as well as the Highveld with only 14 degrees in Johannesburg. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.